Good morning. I'm Edward Nelson Fell, and I am standing in front of the William Alden James House on North Cypress Street. My wife Ann and I founded Fellsmere and started developing it in 1911. After establishing the Fellsmere Farms Company in 1910, Chief Engineer Irwin S. Lloyd was hired to oversee the construction of the Fellsmere Railroad and the development of Fellsmere. William Alden James was hired as the assistant engineer. James is only a few months older than Irwin S. Lloyd, both having been born in 1868. William Alden James had worked as chief clerk at the U.S. Engineering Office under the direction of Reed Whitford, who later became the chief surveyor for the Fellsmere Farms Company. There, William Alden James is involved with the extensive river and harbor work that proved valuable with the dredging and drainage operations in Fellsmere. In 1907, James married Ruth A. Hazard, who was a nurse. Ruth and James never had any children. In 1910, William and Ruth moved to Fellsmere after William was hired by the Fellsmere Farms Company. William Alden James was a civil engineer and was a leveler on Reed Whitford's survey party. He also worked as a draftsman drawing the plats for Fellsmere, Deep Land, which was later renamed Broadmoor, and Grassland. Later, he became the assistant engineer for the Fellsmere Farms Company. In 1912, William and Ruth bought lots on North Cypress Street, just where I'm standing, and it was just north of the property and the house owned by Chief Engineer Irwin S. Lloyd and his wife Clara. Starting in November 1912, local contractor Victor Hadeen built a 5-room house for the James. The house had a spacious veranda and was painted colonial yellow. While the house was under construction, William and Ruth stayed at the Fellsmere Inn. Ruth played the piano and was a member of the Marion Fell Library Association and member of the County Federation of Women's Clubs. She and Clara Lloyd did much entertaining together in both of their homes since they were adjacent. In May of 1913, James is appointed as the local weatherman to provide the Weather Bureau of the United States Department of Agriculture with weather statistics. In 1915, William Alden James was appointed as the new chief engineer of the Fellsmere Railroad. He ran surveys and oversaw the construction of the extension of the railroad to Broadmoor. Broadmoor was a Fellsmere Farms Company town 5 miles west of Fellsmere, but was vacated and no longer exists. On February 7, 1917, William Alden James was elected as vice commissioner of the town of Fellsmere, but resigned on June 6, 1917, only 114 days after he was elected. James unfortunately died at age 55 on June 9, 1923, after an operation for duodenal ulcer and appendicitis. 6 years after his death, his wife Ruth sold the house to Richard Mudge, who had been one of the superintendents of the Fellsmere Railroad. Later, the James House served as a parsonage for the Fellsmere Community Church. Ruth James lived to be age 87 and died on December 6, 1959. If you would like to read more history and see photographs of the William Alden and Ruth James House, you can use your smartphone to read the QR code to access the City of Fellsmere website, or use the city's website address as shown on the walking tour brochure.